And welcome back. We're back in the junk dump garage. And today it's a 1970 Oldsmobile 455 installation of the front timing cover. We got to start off today by taking the front seal out of the timing cover. Just going to pound that out with a hammer. And an oversized socket. That socket fits just on the metal part of the seal. You don't ever want to try to drive them in or out by the rubber. It just makes a mess. Now you'll see me use this anaerobic sealant quite a bit. It's excellent and called for in places where you have any kind of paper or cork gaskets. This is what the original service manuals will call for. And in some cases where two metal components come together, this is where you use that. So in this case, we're going to put it around the opening that our seal is going to fit into. And that will just help make a positive seal. And now we try to tap and drive this in as evenly as possible. And now I'm satisfied the seal is seated properly and it's in there nice and even. Now I'm moving on to the front timing cover gasket. I'm going to cover that with the anaerobic sealant. Now that gasket is tacky enough where I can just put it right on the back of that timing cover. Next I'm going to apply the anaerobic sealant to the gasket for the other side. Next up, I'm going to install the bolts and torque them to spec. And that's it for the timing cover right now. Next up, we'll work on the water pump, and then we'll finish off that. And don't forget to grease that front seal.